Welcome, today I'm with DOOGEE S95 Pro and I'll show you how to change gestures sensitivity on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the system. Now just tap here to the system and you'll see here the gestures. And now just tap here on the system navigation. So to change this option, just tap here, switch here to the gesture navigation, and here tap to the settings icon. And now you can switch there to the lower or to the higher sensitivity. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.